In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock Google Drive folder. First, open your browser and head to the Google homepage. In the top right corner, click the grid icon, the 9 small dots that open the Google Apps menu. From there, select Drive to open your Google Drive. Inside Drive, find the folder you want to lock. Hover your cursor over it and click the 3 vertical dots to open the More Actions menu. Choose Share. If a small panel appears first, click Share again to open the full sharing window so you can see every option you'll need. In the sharing window, you'll see the people who currently have access to that folder. This is where you decide exactly what they can do. Next to each person's name is a permission dropdown. Change each one to Viewer if you want them to see what's inside without being able to edit, organize, or delete anything. Viewer is read-only access, which is the safest choice when your goal is to lock down a folder while still allowing visibility. Now look for the General Access section below. This setting controls whether the folder is accessible to anyone with the link or to a wider group by default. If you see anyone with the link or a broad option like your organization, that means people beyond the list above could still get in. Click that setting and switch it to Restricted. Restricted ensures only the specific people listed at the top can open the folder, even if a link gets shared around. When you've confirmed that each person is set to Viewer and General Access is set to Restricted, click Save to apply your changes. The Save button typically appears in the lower part of the window. After saving, take a quick look back at the sharing window. It should show Restricted under General Access, and everyone should be listed as Viewer. That combination effectively locks the folder so only approved people can see it and no one can modify its contents. A few quick tips as you wrap up. If your interface looks slightly different, don't worry. Google updates layouts from time to time, but the Share option, the Viewer role, and the General Access control remain the key places to check. Also remember that folder permissions usually flow down to the files inside. If a particular file behaves differently, it may have its own sharing setting from earlier. And that's it. You opened Drive, used the folder's share controls, reviewed who has access, set them to Viewer, restricted General Access, and saved your changes. Your folder is now locked the right way.